Science. Liberty Vittert here, happens to be the host of MIT's data science podcast, Data Nation, feature editor of the Harvard Data Science Review, professor at Washington University in St. Louis. The court has accepted you as an expert, at least in the numbers part. You feel like you're an expert in everything, I guess, but hey. All right, this is TV. So, look, let's deal first with the question, are there aliens? It seems as though there almost certainly have to be, right?
There's two questions here. The first is, does life exist elsewhere? And the second, is that life intelligent enough to be thought of as an alien? You know, what
and third, has it ever visited us?
Third, has it ever visited us?
Okay, there's three questions.
So statistically speaking, the concept that there is life elsewhere is almost 100%. The chance that it's intelligent, that this life that exists is intelligent, is about 60%.
So look, typically science, you look backwards and you go, you know, you were able to run this fast earlier, or, you know, you flipped a coin this many times, it's 50-50, there you go. How, since we've never been able to determine this, how do we get to the idea that it's 60% and it's not 6% or 99.6%?
So we get to this through something called Bayesian statistics, which sounds fancy, but it's not. It's just the chances that these things have happened. Life on Earth started about 5 billion years ago. As soon as it wasn't too hot, life started. So if you assume these other planets follow the same trajectory as Earth, which is what, when you're talking about how many coins you flipped, what's the chance? What's the chance that there's planets like Earth out there that exist in the same space and the same time? So if you make that assumption, which is an assumption, that there are other planets like Earth, and we know there are other planets like Earth, then there are the chances that life has arisen and that life could potentially be intelligent. And that's the bigger question.
So now we're at 60%. So to estimate the number of alien life is the Drake equation.
The Drake equation is used to estimate alien life, and it takes into account these possibilities, these probabilities. So the bigger then question comes, have aliens visited us? The chance, I would say, of that, I'm a statistician, I never want to say 0%. Could a golden retriever, attack you? Sure, a golden retriever could. Are they? No. So, I don't want to say 0%, but it's basically 0%, because the closest alien population is probably about 20 million years away. Now, that means there are not little green men running around Earth. There is a chance that some of their technology has visited us. And Professor Avi Loeb, who you've had on, who I work with at Harvard, he is studying this. And there is the possibility that there have been items that have landed on Earth, landed in the ocean, that are from alien populations. That chance is real.
How long would it take to reach alien life? Assume a box that's 2,000 light years on each side. It will contain 100 million stars. In 100 million star boxes, there is one sophisticated civilization. That means the nearest aliens are probably 1,000 to 2,000 light years away. Today's fastest rockets would take 20 million years to get there. We assume that there is nobody who is more sophisticated than us in this equation. But if you're the other professor at Harvard, Avi Loeb, who we had on, fantastic interview, he made the point that they may have technology that we don't, and if that crashed into Earth, that would be some of the evidence that we're seeing.
Exactly. That does not mean there are aliens that have crashed into Earth. It just might be that their technology has come to Earth. That's a very different thing and very different ability to have a living being come to Earth versus just some of their technology.
Yeah, no, but still, if the idea of still studying this is fascinating. All right, Liberty, it's good to see you. Thank you very much.